So I made a smoothie. When I made a smoothie, I had a couple things inside of it that I thought would be a little more dominant than they were. It turns out that peanut butter is the most complex and dominant flavor in this smoothie. And why? Why, I asked. I looked that up. I'll tell you more about it. So on your tongue, there's certain things called microvilli. Those are the little hair-like tendrils on your tongue that feed back to your brain all the information about what you're tasting. Now, in this smoothie, I added a banana, which I've already eaten, and some chocolate protein. The last thing that I added a spoonful of was peanut butter. Now, if you know anything about peanut butter, it's always the forefront of your flavors. And I think the reason is because on that tongue of yours, it's known for tasting things that are sweet, bitter, and salty. Now, if something's to combine all three of those things, or two of those things, you're gonna have what I would call a complex flavor. So in conclusion, whenever you're adding ingredients to your smoothies, keep in mind which ones are complex and which ones are simple. Simple in this case would be singular ingredients like a banana. Complex in this case would be the peanut butter. I don't know of many other flavors that I would like to add to this, but it usually tells me when I'm in the moment because I ad-lib a lot. I make it up as I go, just like I'm talking right now. However, please enjoy the video and try this smoothie for yourself if you like peanut butter. Thanks. Bye.